Hi everyone, today I'm gonna be really quick open up just one Kinder Surprise egg. You hear that? It's gonna be just one egg. One 14th anniversary egg. And today I'm gonna have some help by Jake from Jake and the Neverland Pirates. Do you wanna help me, Jake? Yo ho, let's go! Good answer. Now let's open it up. That's good. We can help. I can help you. I mean, yeah, but we both help each other, just like you always do in the TV show. We help each other throughout your adventures. Good job, Jake. Now let's put it in the frozen bowl. If you have seen my other videos, you know what I'm talking about. I put the chocolate in my Disney frozen bowl. Yummy. So let's clean up the mess. Oh, and let's see what's inside. I hope it's not some kind of same character like it was in the earlier surprise eggs. Oh, look! It looks like it's some kind of sheep. Oh, how lucky I am! It is an anniversary figure in this one egg that I bought. How lucky I am! It is a sheep with a winder. It's simply that he holds it and it spins around. Let's see here. Cute little series. I simply gonna push it, put it right there and turn it around. Wow, maybe I can blow on it too. That works. You can blow too, Jake. Yeah, that was so cute. Yeah, it sure was. And as you can see on the winder, it has the colors of Kinder Surprise. Some kind of red, orange and white. So beautiful. So yeah, that was just one surprise egg for today. And thank you for watching and have a great day.